I'm all about supporting small businesses and everything, but like, how does a customer think that they could just say, "Oh, I only want to pay half of that. I'm not paying you more than half of what that bill is," after they told me, "Do whatever you got to do. Send me the bill. I'll have no problem paying it." Half off? Half off. I make no money on markup. Barely any. Very, very little. I won't lie. Very little bit of markup. It's all in the labor. So you're telling me that my job that I did is only worth half of what you thought it would be? I'm going to do this guy real good. He wants half off. I'll settle for a quarter. I'll take a quarter off.
A few moments later.
I swear. Fuck with me. And I get you a quarter off. Huh? Huh? How do you like that? How do you like that? Huh? 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 Yeah. I'd say it's about a quarter. Maybe a little less. I was being generous. Hello. Yeah, I'd say about a quarter. You can still drive it.